What does a 2 Ah versus a 4 Ah actually mean? These numbers get thrown around constantly, but most explanations are vague or flat out wrong. In this video, I'm going to explain what AH and mAh mean, what the practical difference is between a 2 Ah battery and a 4 Ah battery, and why testing matters more than reading the label. First, the easy part. mAh means milliamp hours. AH means amp hours, and the conversion is simple. 1 amp hour equals 1,000 milliamp hours. So 2,000 milliamp hours equals 2 amp hours, and 4,000 milliamp hours equals 4 amp hours. Same unit, different scale. That's all. Now, the part that actually matters. Amp hours is a capacity rating. It tells you how much current a battery can deliver over time. A 2 amp hour battery can ideally deliver 2 amps for 1 hour, or 1 amp for 2 hours. A 4 amp hour battery can ideally deliver 4 amps for 1 hour, or 1 amp for 4 hours. So the voltage is the same. The 4 amp hour battery should last longer under the same load. That is the real meaning of the larger number. Here is where people get sloppy. A higher amp hour rating does not automatically mean more power. It usually means more runtime. Power capability also depends on battery chemistry, internal resistance, pack design, current limits, temperature, overall battery quality. So 2 amp hours versus 4 amp hours is mainly a capacity comparison, not a blanket statement about peak performance. There is one more thing. Comparing amp hour is the cleanest when both batteries have the same voltage. If voltage changes, then watt hours, or WH, is a better comparison. The formula is simple. Watt hours equals volts times amp hours. So a 12 volt 2 amp hour battery stores 24 watt hours. A 12 volt 4 amp hour battery stores 48 watt hours. Same voltage, comparing amp hour is fine. Different voltage, you need to compare watt hour. Now, let's stop repeating specs and actually test them. For this comparison, both batteries start fully charged. They are tested using the same discharge current, the same cutoff voltage, and the same measurement method. That matters because once test conditions change, the comparison gets muddy fast. The analyzer tracks voltage, current, elapsed time, measured amp hours, measured watt hours. That gives real data instead of marketing claims. Now here are the results. The 2 amp hour battery reached cutoff sooner and delivered less total capacity. The 4 amp hour battery ran longer and delivered more measured capacity before the test ended. That is exactly what the rating is supposed to reflect. In this test, the 2 amp hour battery delivered 2.0263 amp hours and 37.24 watt hours with a runtime of 2 hours and 1 minute. The 4 amp hour battery delivered 4.09 amp hours and 75.62 watt hours with a runtime of 4 hours and 5 minutes. So the clean answer is this. 1,000 milliamp hours equals 1 amp hour. Amp hour measures capacity over time. At the same voltage, a 4 amp hour battery usually lasts longer than a 2 amp hour battery. A higher amp hour rating does not automatically mean more peak power. And when voltage changes, watt hours is a better way to compare. The label makes the claim, the analyzer shows the truth. That's the point of testing. Anybody can print a number on a battery. Measurement tells you whether the battery actually earns it. More battery breakdowns and real analyzer tests are coming soon.